return to America. In 1893, an English professor from Massachusetts traveled west by train. She was stunned by the beauty of what she saw. She started writing the poem later known as Amerika die Prachtige, America the Beautiful. Another reason to love America is our freedom of expression and of religion. I, for one, am grateful that we can be here, standing on this stage, free to perform together in Yiddish, the 1,000-year-old Jewish language of many of our ancestors. Lang leben soll Amerika.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber